do a vertical chest circle today. Now soften it to your knees, tuck your pelvis, lift your chest, curl, and relax your arms and shoulders. Now, the vertical I showed you. Now, I want to get you to slide to the left, lift the chest, roll forward, to the right, and then down, okay? Again, we're going to go left, right, bump right, lift chest up, bump to the left, drop down, and center. So this is what you're doing. You're drawing, I want you to imagine you're drawing a clock. There's a clock in front of you, a circle, here, and you want to draw around it with your chest. Rather than starting from the left or right, it's the same. So we're going to bump to the right, lift the chest, bump to the left, and then drop down and center. And if we start from the left, lift, right, drop. Left, lift, right, drop. Right, lift, left, drop. And circle it out. Okay? And circle. Okay? Give that one a try. The vertical chest circle. This has been Yasmin's Learning Belly Dance.